Ella presents our Transfer Tub series. These tubs feature extra-wide L-shaped doors that fit over the toilet and provide easy access. An exclusive 2-latch gear and shaft lock keeps your door secure and leak-proof. As with all of Ella tubs, there's a low threshold for easy step-in and a textured floor for your security. Ella is famous for its innovative jetting design. Warm to the touch, soft slide acrylic surface provides for a comfortable entry. Deck and wall mount grab bars for your safety with a soft grip door handle. 3-speed air massage with auto purge. Auto purge helps clear the water from your system to help prevent mildew. Adjustable hydrotherapy massage with intensity control dial and an inline water heater. These tubs feature strategic foot massage jets. Eco-friendly ozone sterilization helps keep your tub sanitary. Light chromotherapy adds a relaxing visual element. No one offers dual drain technology like Ella tubs. Dual 2-inch 4-port drains provide fast, efficient draining. This system allows you to utilize all 4 2-inch drain ports on either side of the tub, or use what you need and cap off the unused ports. The dual 2-inch 4-port T-type drains creates the fastest gravity-driven drains in the industry. Choose from a 5 or 2-piece fast fill faucet set. Each comes with a multi-function detachable shower head. 5-foot water supply lines are included with your tub. The pumps and other electronics are UL certified, user-friendly, easily connected, and simply plug into a dedicated GFCI power source.